In this presentation, we're going to go through creating a buyer tour. So we click over to create a buyer tour, and then you're going to manually add in the MLS IDs. So I'm just going to pull from some of the ones we have from our brokerage here. And you paste it, and you want to make sure you put comma and then a space. And then we'll grab another one and paste it. And then when you're ready, you just click the blue, and then it'll add in and show you on the map where those two listings are. The key with this is you also need to make sure that you tag a client to this particular listing. So you want to make sure that whoever you're sending this to is already in your database. And then you would just click on that person, and now it's assigned to that client. So going over, you go save and continue. So now we have the start of our presentation here. So we're going to start with the web version first. So at the top here, we have different themes. So you can click on, do we want the traditional, the modern, or the luxury? So if you remember when we did our initial customizations, we had 3 different options. So you can pick the one that you like the best. So we'll stick with traditional for this. And then it goes through the different slides. So the second slide in this presentation, it goes and shows you the houses that you just said that you were going to show on the tour. And then there's an option here to add a slide if you'd like. And it goes through the library of a bunch of different pre-made slides as well. If you've created custom slides, it would add to this section as well. And if you want that, you just click on it and go to add that slide. But we might want to have that at the beginning, so it's easy to just reorder. Okay, so this is good. This is what we want to show. The next part is the properties. So you click on that, and it'll actually show you a breakdown of each of those properties, going through the photos as well as the information at the side. And then the second one as well, going through the photos and then the information at the side. And again, if you wanted to add in a slide, it's the same steps. So add in a slide, click any of the ones that you'd like, and then add that slide there. And then the last one, it creates this like review and rate. So it's another page for them to see if they like those listings. So there's 2 options. You can do a web version or you can do a PDF version, and it shows what that would look like for that person as well. And then when you're done, you go to present and share. So it brings you up to this page here. So as you can see, it's added to this particular client. You can email that presentation to them, so it goes to them directly, or you can have this link and then you can copy it. So we'll copy that link, and then we'll have a look at what it would look like if we were to have this presentation for our client. So when you email them, this is what they're going to see, and they would just click through. So there's that page about you. There's this page. This is interactive, so they can literally click on that and see the details. They can click on that and see the details. And it gives a nice little summary here and featuring what the tour is going to consist of. And then again, there's that interactive page that we talked about, showing the photos. They can scroll through and have a look at all the different options of both of the listings here. They can also see the square footage, the number of bedrooms, and the days on the market. This is the other slide that we added to the mix. And then at the end here, they can say not interested, or like, yes, I really like this one. I'd like to make an offer, just so that you can kind of get a gauge of what they're interested in.